Looking for a reliable way to monitor indoor climate? The Govee H5179 combines precise temperature and humidity tracking with Wi-Fi connectivity, giving you real-time updates right on your smartphone. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Govee H5179 Thermometer Hygrometer, a AAA batteries, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to pair. The Govee Home App makes setting up the H5179 Thermometer Hygrometer quick and straightforward. Simply add the device, select the correct model, and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can give it a custom name, adjust settings such as the data refresh interval, and start monitoring temperature and humidity remotely. Whether it's placed in a freezer, refrigerator, greenhouse, or another indoor space, the app provides real-time readings from anywhere, making it easy to keep track of environmental conditions and receive updates whenever needed.
Smart features?
Monitor temperature and humidity in real time from anywhere using the Govee Home app. The dual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection lets you check conditions remotely without needing to be nearby. The built-in Swiss-made sensor delivers highly accurate measurements with temperature accuracy up to plus or minus 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity accuracy, refreshing readings every 2 seconds. Set your preferred temperature and humidity ranges in the app. If the readings move outside those limits, you'll receive an instant notification so you can respond quickly to changing conditions. Track environmental conditions over time with detailed graphs and historical records. The app stores data in the cloud and allows you to export up to 2 years of temperature and humidity history for analysis. Compact and easy to place, the H5179 is ideal for monitoring refrigerators, freezers, greenhouses, wine cellars, reptile enclosures, nurseries, and other indoor spaces where stable temperature and humidity are important.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Govee H5179 Thermometer Hygrometer. See you in the next one.